Well, Friday, October 23rd, and definitely getting towards winter here. As you can see, most of the trees have turned colors and are dropping leaves profusely. How do you like that color on my front yard? Looking pretty good. Sadly, it is storage day for the TR3 today. I didn't get it out that much this year, but we'll get it out for one last drive on the return to storage. So we're just getting geared up and getting ready to fire it up and go for that one last drive. So I will take you along the way. Maybe we'll do a little surprise at the end of the video and we'll show you another potential project. See you there. Alright guys, are you ready for it? The aforementioned project. This is a really future project. It is a 1973 Mark I Capri, Ford Capri. And as you can see, it's seen better days. It's had quite a few parts taken off of it to restore another car. Rear quarter, front quarter, doors, glass, all the gauges, wiring harness has been chopped up. The only thing that's good in this car really is the drivetrain. The engine's got very low miles on it, I think around 26,000 miles. And the trans is good. The drivetrain is good. Not much else is good. Now, it's a 2.6 liter. It was actually in quite good condition before somebody decided to start taking parts off this car. This car was extremely restorable. And unfortunately, someone decided to use it to restore something else. You can look at the A-posts here and the condition of the A-posts. That is factory primer under there, and it looks to be in excellent shape. Regardless, it's been done, so we'll try to rescue this. Again, it's going to be the tail end of my current project, so it's going to be quite some time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tarp this up, and we're going to move it at a later date. We'll probably move it behind our barn over there, and we'll get it wrapped up. This car will be used for continuing to be used for parts to restore another Capri that I've got a line on. It's also a 73, but a 2 liter. So this car you might be familiar with. It's been seen in a previous video of mine where Les and I came up and tried to get it started the one day, and I'll try to put a link up in the corner to that video. So anyway, this car is now mine after sitting here in our storage area for probably about a little over a year. Anyway, I guess it was meant to be. That's it. That's the new future project, 73 Mark I Capri. Alright guys, before we go, just a quick look of that 2.6 liter, and again, it doesn't look like it's been screwed around with too much. Looks like a lot of the original hoses. We still see the original stickers in the engine bay, original number plates in there as well, original air cleaner, again, original hoses. So that's always a good sign to see that the car has not been screwed around with a lot. So again, important part of this car is we'll have the engine and drivetrain to potentially swap into another car. Stay tuned for a long future project.